Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Today I will explain you Constitution and the need for law. This is a topic from civics part and this topic is very important in our life as well as for our country. First we will see what do you understand by the term Constitution. Students, Constitution is a set of rules and regulations which help the government to govern a country. We will see this with a small example. Suppose in a school we have to follow certain rules and regulations and certain guidelines. Suppose you need to come to school by 7:20, you are having your lunch at 10:30 and your school get over at 1:30. This is what? This is a certain guidelines, certain rules. With the help of this, you are able to manage your work properly. You as well as teachers. So, the Constitution is a very important part of our country. It also helps the country to govern or to manage the citizens of the country. With the help of Constitution, we are able to maintain law and order as well. So, first we will see Indian Constitution. Students, Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution. Why it is so lengthiest? Because it covers 28 states and 8 union territories of India. Which were the union territories which recently added? That is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay? Now, in Indian Constitution, there is a supreme authority through which nobody can interfere in the decision of this. That is, suppose central government has taken some decision, so the state government cannot deny that decision. Fine. In Indian Constitution, there are certain fundamental rights, duties, and some of the directive principles are there. Okay. Now coming to the next topic. What is the motto of the Indian Constitution? The motto of the Indian Constitution, students, is equality before law. That is, before the law, each and every citizen of the country is equal. Right? So, freedom and equality to every citizen is the main motto of Constitution. Okay? Now, we will see the legality of the law. What do you mean by legality of the law? That means nobody can make the law before Constitution. If anyone make the law before Constitution, then the judiciary has the power to declare that law as null. Null means that law has no existence. Okay? Now, descent of the law we will discuss in the next class. Okay? Jai Gurudev. Thank you.